Do you have an old 36-inch built-in microwave that all of a sudden doesn't work? Well, guess what? This size isn't made anymore. That was my problem, but I found a good solution. Let's go. This big 36-inch microwave fit perfect between my kitchen cabinets. When it stopped working, I researched for its replacement. I was willing to pay just about anything, but everywhere I called, the 36-inch isn't built anymore, and every built-in now is 30 inches or less. I was wondering, I can't be the only person with this issue. I looked online and found this two-piece stainless steel microwave trim kit that's 3 inches on each side. I'll leave a link in the description where to purchase these. I also purchased a 30-inch microwave. When I received them in, the quality seemed pretty good. It came with screws and pre-drilled holes to fasten against the cupboards. Well, it was pretty self-explanatory, so I didn't show the complete install, but here is the end result. And yes, that is a 30-inch in a 36-inch spot. Brand new microwave, and the panel matches good. If you're wondering why does the 30-inch stick out so much and everything isn't flush, the 36-inch microwave had a depth of 15 inches, and the new microwave was the same. All in all, I think it looks pretty good. And the good thing is, if and when this one fails, I can quickly purchase any 30-inch microwave. Well, until they discontinue those. By the way, if this helped, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.